is Chapter 1 Physics, Science, Motion. Introduction. Rest. A body is said to be in a state of rest when its position does not change with respect to a reference point. Then motion. A body is said to be in a state of motion when its position changes constantly with reference to a point. Motion can be of different types depending upon the type of path by which the object is going through. Then first, circulatory motion, circular motion in circular paths. Then linear motion in a straight line path. Third, oscillatory vibrating motion to and fro path with respect to origin. Then scalar quantity. It is the physical quantity having on magnitude but no direction. Example, distance, speed. Then vector quantity. It is the physical quantity that require both magnitude and direction. Example, displacement, velocity. Then next पेज पर है distance and displacement. The actual path or length traveled by an object during its journey from its initial position to its final position is called the distance. Then distance is a scalar quantity which requires only magnitude but no direction to explain it. Example, Ramesh traveled 65 km. Distance is measured by odometer in vehicle. Displacement is a vector quantity requiring both magnitude and direction for its explanation. Example, circular motion. Then this is a diagram. Difference between distance and displacement. This diagram, total distance traveled 2 pi r, total displacement 0, initial point, final point. Then difference. First distance, displacement. Distance का पढ़ेंगे first. Length of actual traveled by an object. Second, it is scalar quantity. Third, it remains positive, cannot be O or negative. Then displacement. First, shortest length between initial point and fore point of an object. It is vector quantity. Third, it can be positive, negative और zeros. Then हम पढ़ेंगे, ये था डिस्टेंस और ये था डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो डिस्टेंस का पढ़ लेते हैं. डिस्टेंस कैन बी इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन लीनियर पाथ. देन है डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस और इट्स लेसर देन डिस्टेंस. देन हम एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं जो क्वेश्चंस हैं. एग्जाम्पल. First example, a body travel in a circled path of radius 10 m straightening its motion from point A to point B. Calculate the distance and displacement. Solution है total, पहले डायग्राम बना लेंगे. this. Then total distance traveled by body S question mark है. Then pi 3.14. Total displacement of body D question mark given R 10 m. Then D equals 2 into R equals 2 into 10 m 20 m. Then given pi 3.14. Then R 10 m. S is equals to pi R. Then is equals to 3.14 into 10 m. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. दिस वन आंसर 31.4 मीटर. देन हमारा सेकंड एग्जांपल है, आ बॉडी ट्रेवल्स 4 km toward north. Then he turned to his right and traveled another 4 km before coming to rest. Calculate total distance traveled second. Total displacement. Then solution. Total distance traveled equals to OA plus AB. Then 4 km plus 4 km 8 km. Total displacement OB equals square root OA square root plus OB square root equals square 4 square plus 4 square. Then 60 square 60 and under square 16 plus 16 30 square under square 32 5.65 kilometer. Then uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. When a body travels equal distance in equal of time, then the motion is said to be uniform motion. This is diagram. Non-uniform motion. In this type of motion, the body will travel unequal distance in equal interval of time. This diagram C. Continuous use increased in slope of curve indicates accelerated non-uniform motion. Then continuous decrease in slope of curve indicate non-uniform motion. Then two types of non-uniform motion. First, accelerated motion. When a motion of body increases with time. There's diagram. Second, the accelerated motion. When a motion of a body decreases with time. There's diagram. The speed topic. The measurement of distance traveled by a body per unit time is called speed. Then this is the formula. Speed with distance traveled, this time taken as ST. SI unit ms meters seconds. If a body is executing uniform motion, then there will be a constant speed or uniform motion. If a body is traveling with non-uniform motion, then the speed will not remain uniform but have different values throughout the motion of such body. Then for non-uniform motion, our average speed will describe one single value of speed throughout the motion of the body. The average speed, total distance traveled, total time taken. Then conversion factors. Change from km then HR hours to ms 1000 m 60 into 60 s is equals to 518 ms. एग्जाम्पल है हमारा फर्स्ट. What will be the speed of body in ms and km hours if it travel 40 km in 5 hours. सॉल्यूशन है हमारा डिस्टेंस एज 40 km टाइम 5 hours स्पीड इन किलोमीटर एंड हाफ टोटल डिस्टेंस टोटल टाइम 45 8 km hours. Then 40 km 40 into 1000 m 4000 meter. 5 hours 5 into 60 into 60 seconds. Speed in meters and seconds. 40 into 1000 5 into 60 into 60. इसका आंसर है 8036. देन इसका 2.20 22 ms मीटर सेकेंड्स। देन हमारा टॉपिक है वेलोसिटी। It is the speed of body in given direction. Then velocity equals displacement time. Velocity is a vector quantity. Its value change when either its magnitude or direction changes. For non-uniform motion in a given line, average velocity will be calculated in the same way as done in average speed. Then average velocity, total displacement, total time. Then for uniformly changing velocity, the average velocity can be calculated as follows. देन अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।